You may have been wondering how the stock market has been doing now the past week and the past month performance. So that's what I'm going to show you on FinViz, bearing in mind that the majority of the earnings reports are now over for this season. So I just have the past week performance open here. So you can see Microsoft was up 1.76%. Oracle was up 4.20%. Nvidia up for over 5.41% and doing really well now. And Google up 4.67. So like the likes of Nvidia has been on a real doing really well now the past number of months. And you can see Meta has been up 3.81%. So everything did pretty well this week. Tesla, etc., 2.69. Amazon, the financials were also up. However, when I show you the monthly performance, it'll be different. That's when all the earnings reports were going on, etc. So there was more fluctuations than in the past week. So you can see, yeah, Nvidia again up 8.97% the past month and doing really well. Microsoft up just 0.61, which is just a small bit. Oracle again up as well. And you can see however, the healthcare sector has been down. A few of them are down over 5%, which is quite a drop as well past month. And you can see Amazon has won out as well here. Amazon is up plus 7.14%. Tesla, however, down minus 5.52 in past month performance. And I'll just show you the financials now. They have, yeah, the financials, the banks. So the likes of JP Morgan has been down 6.09%. Bank of America has been down 7.74, and Wells Fargo has been down 7.75. So the banks have, yeah, the banks have been down over 7% the past month. And you can see just at a glance the likes of Google, Nvidia, Amazon, etc., that the tech sector has done pretty well the past month. So as I said, bearing in mind that the majority of the earnings reports are over for this season. And yeah, some came in better than expected, some not as good. And you saw in some of my previous videos, the YouTube shorts, and where when I alerted you as to what companies were reporting what dates and whether it was before market open or after market close, and also the results of some. So that's had a bearing on how the stock market has performed over the past, particularly the past month. Some have been up, some have been down. As you can see, the healthcare sector, mixed bag, down. And you can see the banks as well have been down. But overall, the big tech companies like Amazon, etc., and Nvidia, they've all done really well the past month. So if you found this video informative, I'd appreciate you hitting the like button. And thanks for watching and enjoy your day.